Yes. Good afternoon, दोपहर बकेर.
Yeah, good afternoon to you as well. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Okay, so let's just introduce ourselves. So I guess, yeah, you can give your short introduction, then I can share myself.
Okay. My name is Tanishka. I'm 7 years old. I'm studying in third standard. Before that, I'm in second standard. Now I go to third standard. And my hobbies are to reading, and I like to play chess also. And I like to play with business game and Uno.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Actually,
Tell about yourself.
yeah, I am an engineer by profession. I am also a teacher, English teacher. I also teach students. And other than that, my hobbies are gardening. I like playing with my friends, soccer, football, these kind of games.
Oh, nice.
So, how do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, it's my channel on YouTube English with Tanishka.
Yeah, I have actually gone through your channel. You are making really good videos. So, what type of videos do you really make for your channel?
What?
What type of videos do you really make for your YouTube channel?
I make conversations and sometimes I make onboard videos also. Like proper nouns and common nouns we make.
Okay, that's great. So,
Yes.
yeah, just tell me about your things like how do you learn English?
I learn from my mother and when I go to outside I speak with shopkeeper also and I speak with my friends in school and in school I speak with teachers also. I read storybooks and read stories and write in notebook and I read stories and I write all in my language.
What type of stories do you like to read?
I like to read bedtime storybooks and in school in our worksheet there are so many stories I read that.
So, how many storybooks do you have?
I have bedtime storybook.
Okay, okay, that's great. So, who helps you to learn English except your mother? Like, your mother is helping you to speak English. Other than that, like, what are your, like, who teaches you English?
My mother teach me.
Okay, okay. So you were talking about your hobbies. Like, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are to read storybooks also, and I have this bedtime storybook.
Oh, wow, that's great. Do you read it daily?
Yes, I read one story.
Okay, that's great. So I was saying, like, other than these storybooks, what are your hobby? What games do you play with your friends?
I play with my friends. In school, I play with my friends. Square dodgeball and circle dodgeball and kho. And I play with my friends hide and seek also. And ice and water.
How many friends you have?
I have so many friends.
Okay, that's great.
Do
So
you have
other,
friends?
yeah, I have lot of friends from your country. Actually, I am from Pakistan and you are from India, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I have lot of friends from India. What's your city there? Your city name?
Pune.
Okay, that's great. I have lot of friends from Pune.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
great.
yes. So other than reading, like what are your other activities inside your house? Like you go to school, after coming from school, what are your hobbies? What are your activities?
When I come from the school, I play I play business game with my sister and Uno also. I like to play.
Okay, that's great. So do you help your mother accept studying and accept going to school?
Yes, I help to my mother.
Do you know how to cook food or these kind of things?
Yes, I make pizza also and my mother bake it and I make Maggie also, pasta also.
Wow, that's great. How do you learn that?
I learned my mother when my mother is cooking. I saw what she is taking atoms, what she's putting. Then I learn it.
Okay, that's great. So
Yes.
how many siblings do you have? Like, do you have other sister, brother?
Yes, I have one sister.
She is also going school.
Yes, she's going school. She go to school, but now she have holidays. Summer.
Okay, okay. You also have
Summer
holidays
vacation
these
holiday.
days.
Yes, what?
I am saying, do you also have holidays this now?
No, I don't have holidays. I have school. But today is a
Oh,
holiday because today is Sunday.
yeah, you are right. So when
Yes.
your exam is going to be held, I mean,
My exam is done. Now I go to third standard. Before I'm in second standard. Now my exam done. Now I go to third standard.
okay, that's great. So
Yes.
when your summer holidays start?
It will be start in 13 March. Maybe.
30 March?
13 March.
March is already over now. It's 31st March.
Oh.
Yes. So do you like summer holidays?
Yes, I like summer holidays because we go to outside and do lot of fun. 13 April. My holidays is 13 April. Now I remember.
Okay, okay, no problem. So I was saying, like, what do you usually go do in summer holidays? What is your routine? Like, do you visit other places? What do you do?
Yes, I visit Science Park, Kokan in Dapoli. Dapoli. I saw Dapoli also.
So in summer holidays, do you have summer homework?
Yes, we have homework also. The teacher give us homework. They will give us homework in summer vacations.
Okay, that's great. So in summer,
Yes,
yeah, it's better to visit other places, like the places, new places, explore new areas.
yes, yes. Can I ask you one question?
Yeah, sure.
Which sport do you like to play?
I like football.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Do you
I
know how to
also have
play?
a ball.
Do you know how to play football?
No,
Okay.
but I know that we have to kick from the leg. Yes, that only. But I don't play.
Okay, that's great.
I have a ball.
Ball?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Do you know cricket? Like, do you play cricket?
No, I don't play cricket.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Do you like to play cricket?
Yes, sometime I do like.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
You read storybooks?
On my YouTube channel, there is also I share storybooks. I teach English storybooks and English stories related to English language on my channel. So you
Oh,
can also see the stories in on my channel, English stories, short stories.
okay. I will see it.
Yeah, that's great.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
What
So
is the India and Pakistan boundary distance?
I don't know the distance. Do you know?
I also don't know.
Okay.
I'm
So
just asking.
okay, so I was saying, like, if you have any other question, you can ask. Otherwise, we can
Yes.
wrap up the session.
No, I will ask you one question that how many states in Pakistan?
There are around 5 states, yeah, 5 or 6.
Oh,
In
what is
India,
the
there are
population of Pakistan?
popular.
Population.
It's above 22 crore, yeah.
Okay.
In India, how many states?
There are 28 states
Okay, you
and
have
8
not.
union territory.
Sorry.
There are 28 states and 8 union territory.
Okay, so how much population?
Oh, 19 crore.
Okay, that's great.
150 crore.
Okay, yeah.
150 crore. Not
Okay,
19 crore.
okay, no problem. So I guess we can wrap up the session. We can have another session maybe later on whenever you get time.
Okay. When I get time, I will give you a message and we will do one more conversation.
Okay, sure, no problem. It was really nice conversation with you.
Have a great day, sir.
Yeah, great day. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Yeah, you too. Bye.